Hello everyone, welcome to the course. I chose JavaScript for this course because I can teach you JavaScript, and learning JavaScript is a great choice because it's the most popular programming language in the world and it basically powers the entire modern web. So let's start learning JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a lightweight, cross-platform and interpreted programming language. It is well known for the development of web pages. Many non-browser environments also use it. JavaScript can be used for client-side developments as well as server-side developments. JavaScript was invented in 1995. It was developed for Netscape. It has the useful libraries for the client side are AngularJS, React.js, Vue.js, and so many others. Also, it has the useful framework for the server side, which is the most famous these days is Node.js. Also, we can create Android and iOS apps with library of JavaScript React Native. Now, before we can write any code, we need to install and configure a code editor. So a code editor is the main tool for any developer. And so let's now go download a code editor. I recommend everyone to use Visual Studio Code or VS Code. So VS Code is right now by far the most popular and most widely used code editor, and that is for a reason. It simply is the best and easiest to use, and of course it is completely free. Now there are alternatives if you don't like VS Code for some reason, so you can use Atom or Sublime Text. But I'm going to use VS Code in this course. Okay. It works on every platform, macOS, Windows, or Linux. You need to download for your own platform, then install it. Okay, I have already installed it, and I hope that you managed to install VS Code. So let's now write our very first line of JavaScript code, and for now we will do that in the browser developer tools. We will then switch to the code editor that we just installed, so we must open up Google Chrome and then we open up the Chrome developer tools. And so right click and inspect, which will bring us here to the elements tab, and then from there we can go to the console. Now this is JavaScript developer console, allows us to write and test JavaScript code. Now we don't write real applications, of course, using this console, but now just to get started. So let's write alert. So that's the standard way of learning programming. And then let's hit return or enter, and you will see that JavaScript gives us this pop-up window here. Also, we can do simple math operations. For example, 30 plus 10. Hit enter, and then here we get the result. I hope everything was clear to you. So see you in the next lesson.